I've got this one sounding like, I don't know what he sounds like. And then we've got this one snoring like a bull. Meatball is snoring like a bull. And Merlin doesn't like his new allergy medicine. Merlin, 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 Merlin. Would you stop doing that? You sound disgusting. Quit licking yourself. Get over here, on this side. Get over here with Meatball. Go over and wake him up. Come here. Come on, go over and wake Meatball up. Go over and wake him up. Come on. Put your tooth back in before I... Oh, little boy. Now go over and wake him up. Go wake up Meatball. Wake him up. Wake him up. Don't just walk by him. What are you doing? Wake him up. It's time to... He can't sleep all day. Merlin. 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 Get over here. Go over and wake him up. Over here. Come on. Over here. Wake him up. Go on. Go wake him up. Go wake up Meatball. Merlin. Merlin. Go wake up Meatball. Merlin. Go wake him up. There you go. Go wake him up. Go on. Go wake him up. Go. Would you go wake up? Don't be scared of him. You're as big. Well, you're not as big as he is, but go wake him up.